Liam, can you please spell pig? What comes next? You spelled pig. Very good. Thank you, Liam. Liam. Pig. Very good. Hey, Liam. Can you spell... No? Can you please spell cat? Very good, smart boy. Good job. Liam, can you spell cat? Good job. Can you spell dog? You spell dog? D. Very good. What's next? Uh-huh. G. Good job. You spelled